Do like, share and subscribe for more interesting content. Important dates and days of the year. 1st January, Army Medical Corps Establishment Day. 4th January, Louis Braille Day. 8th January, African National Congress Foundation Day. 9th January, NRI Day, Pravasi Bhartiya Divas. 10th January, World Hindi Day. 11th January, World Laughter Day. 12th January, National Youth Day, birthday of Swami Vivekananda. 15th January, Army Day. 21st January, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura Divas. 23rd January, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birth anniversary. 24th January, Rashtriya Balika Divas, Giri Child Day. 25th January, National Tourism Day, Voters Day, International Customs and Excise Day, Voters Day. 26th January, Indian Republic Day, International Customs Day. 30th January, Martyrs Day, Mahatma Gandhi's Martyrdom, World Leprosy Eradication Day. 1st February, Indian Coast Guard Day. 2nd February, World Wetlands Day. 4th February, National Day of Sri Lanka. 5th February, Kashmir Day, organized by Pakistan. 13th February, World Radio Day. 20th February, World Social Justice Day. 21st February, International Mother Tongue Day. 24th February, Central Excise Day. 28th February, National Science Day. 3rd March, National Defense Day, World Wildlife Day. 4th March, National Security Day. 8th March, International Women's Day. 11th March, Andaman Nicobar Day. 13th March, World Kidney Day. 15th March, World Consumer Rights Day, World Disabled Day. 16th March, National Vaccination Day. 18th March, Ordnance Manufacturing Day. 21st March, World Forestry Day, International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. 22nd March, World Water Day. 23rd March, World Meteorological Day. 24th March, World TB Day. 26th March, Bangladesh Liberation Day. 27th March, World Theatre Day. 2nd April, World Autism Awareness Day. 5th April, National Maritime Day, International Day for Mine Awareness. 7th April, World Health Day. 10th April, World Homeopathy Day. 13th April, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Day, 1919. 14th April, B.R. Ambedkar Remembrance Day, Fire Extinguishing Day. 17th April, World Hemophilia Day. 18th April, World Heritage Day, Azad Hind Fauj Day. 21st April, Civil Services Day. 22nd April, World Earth Day. 23rd April, World Book and Copyright Day. 24th April, Panchayat Divas. 25th April, World Malaria Day. 26th April, World Intellectual Property Day. 1st May, International Labour Day, May Day, Maharashtra Day, Gujarat Day. 2nd May, World Asthma Day. 3rd May, World Press Freedom Day, International Energy Day. 8th May, World Red Cross Day. 11th May, National Technology Day. 12th May, International Nurses Day. 15th May, International Family Day. 17th May, World Telecommunications Day. 21st May, Anti-Terrorism Day, Rajiv Gandhi Death Anniversary. 22nd May, World Biodiversity Day. 24th May, Commonwealth Day. 31st May, World Anti-Tobacco Day. 1st June, Global Day of Parents. 5th June, World Environment Day. 20th June, World Refugee Day. 21st June, International Yoga Day. 23rd June, International Widow Day, International Olympic Day. 29th June, National Statistics Day. 1st July, Doctors Day, State Bank of India Foundation Day. 4th July, American Independence Day. 7th July, International Day of Cooperatives. 11th July, World Population Day. 18th July, International Nelson Mandela Day. 26th July, Kargil Victory Day. 28th July, World Nature Conservation Day, World Hepatitis Day. 1st August, World Breastfeeding Day. 6th August, Hiroshima Day, World Peace Day. 9th August, Kranti Divas, Nagasaki Day, Quit India Day, International Day of World's Ingenious People. 12th August, International Youth Day. 15th August, India's Independence Day. 19th August, World Photography Day. 20th August, Sadbhavna Divas. 29th August, National Sports Day, Dhyan Chand's birthday. 30th August, Small Industry Day. 5th September, Teachers Day, Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday. 8th September, International Literacy Day, UNESCO. 14th September, World First Aid Day. 15th September, Engineers Day, International Day of Democracy. 16th September, World Ozone Day. 18th September, Biosphere Day, World Alzheimer's Day. 20th September, Railway Police Force Foundation Day. 21st September, International Day of Peace. 24th September, World Deaf Day, World Heart Day. 27th September, World Tourism Day. 1st October, International Day for the Elderly, UN. 2nd October, International Non-Violence Day, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. 3rd October, World Habitat Day. 4th October, World Animal Welfare Day. 5th October, World Teachers Day. 8th October, Indian Air Force Day. 9th October, World Postal Day. 10th October, World Mental Health Day, National Post Day. 11th October, International Girl Child Day. 13th October, World Calamity Control Day, UN. 14th October, World Standards Day. 15th October, World White Cane Day, Guiding the Blind. 16th October, World Food Day. 17th October, International Poverty Eradication Day. 20th October, National Solidarity Day, China attacked India on that day. 21st October, World Iodine Shortage Day. 22nd October, World Energy Day. 24th October, United Nations Day, World Polio Day. 31st October, World Thrift Day, National Integration Day. 7th November, Infant Protection Day, National Cancer Awareness Day. 10th November, Transport Day, Malala Day by UN. 11th November, National Education Day. 14th November, Children's Day, World Diabetics Day. 16th November, National Press Day. 17th November, National Epilepsy Day. 18th November, World Adult Day. 19th November, World Citizen Day, National Integration Day, World Toilet Day. 20th November, Universal Children's Day, UN, Africa Industrialization Day. 21st November, World Fisheries Day. 25th November, World Non-Veg Prevention Day. 26th November, Law Day, National Milk Day, Samvidhan Divas. 1st December, World AIDS Day. 2nd December, International Day for the Abolition of Slavery, World Computer Literacy Day. 3rd December World Disabled Day. 4th December Navy Day. 5th December International Volunteers Day. 7th December Armed Forces Flag Day. 10th December Human Rights Day. 11th December UNICEF Day. 14th December National Energy Conservation Day. 16th December Vijay Divas. 19th December Goa's Liberation Day. 23rd December Kisan Divas, Farmers Day. 25th December National Good Governance Day, Xmas Day. 29th December International Biodiversity Day.